Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a line automatically using a time interval. So at every time interval I'm going to store a point which will be added to my line. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to click on the orange plus button in the bottom right corner. That's going to bring up my record menu. I'm going to select the line option as I said, and then I'm going to make sure my GPS capture method is set to auto and that my interval is set to add points every X time interval. I'm going to choose seconds here, and I'm going to go, instead of 2 seconds, as that's rather quick, I'm going to go 5 seconds here. I'm going to click on start, and you're going to see that I get a point at my first position here. And now what would happen is as I move down or up my line, it's going to store a point every 5 seconds. And once I've fully drawn out my line and I'm happy with how everything looks, I'm going to click on finish in the bottom right corner there. What that's going to do is it's going to create my line and save it to the project. I'm going to now be able to enter all of my relevant line information for however I have my project template set up. And once that is all entered, I'll click save to ensure that it is locked into my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a line using a time interval. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.